video is all about sewing napkins. The next 24 days are all about providing you with some sewing inspiration. So let's get that sewing machine out. I'm going to show you how to sew napkins two ways. This one was done on the sewing machine, this one was done on the serger. This one's going to be done on the sewing machine, so we're going to fold it over once and fold it over again, and then we are going to sew all the way down here. So we are closing the raw edges up completely. So I have put my 1/4 inch foot on. You hear me talk about this a lot. And I'm just going to sew down the hem. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing along the other 3 sides. So all I do is just fold over the raw edge and I grab my iron and then I just do the same thing again. I'm going to roll it over because we basically just want to enclose them raw edges. And then go back over to the machine again and sew right along here. You could use your decorative thread in your machine to make it look a little bit more interesting. I could have even used a decorative stitch on the top stitch here. I'm always encouraging you guys to use them decorative stitches, and I've just used a straight stitch on this one. So here is the first napkin. Have you seen how easy that is? So simple. Now let's do the second napkin, but this is going to be on the serger. Now I've set my serger up to do a 3-thread rolled hem. Now I don't have to do any pre-folding for this. You're going to see that it's going to cut off this edge and it's going to create this rolled edge on the edge of my fabric here. So it's creating this edge in here at the side. I think it looks really pretty. So I'm going to continue on all the 3 sides. Which one is your favourite? Do you like the one that was done on the sewing machine with the hemming on the back? Me and Bear do love the rolled edged effect. It's so fast and easy to hem it. And I just think it gives a nicer effect. Let me know which one you like. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.